Today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is When You Return to the Gas Station You Stole From Yesterday.
On October 28, 2023, in Baraboo, Wisconsin, officers were dispatched to a local gas station on reports of a female that was refusing to leave the store after being caught stealing a vape the previous day at the same gas station.
Hi, Herb. How you doing? I just came to get some stuff. Honey, how are you doing today? Being a cop's such a hard job.
You get the rest of your stuff, Amanda, and I'll...
Thank you.
We'll chat then.
I appreciate your service.
All right, I appreciate you saying that.
Oh, you are strong. And so is he.
There we go, right?
Meet one of my husbands.
Oh, that's one of your husbands?
Yeah.
I put two and two together. I told her I was coming to get her thing.
I'm guessing she's not going to have any money for that stuff. And she's getting no trespass from here as well, from yesterday's incident. So if she doesn't have money, I would probably not waste that guy's time anymore. Did her money come through?
I don't know. I'm just going to pay for her date.
Well, so she has like 900 lighters and like he's been ringing up stuff for... Yeah.
We can't make her go.
You're right.
Like, this is bullshit.
Because, so, I think I spoke with her mother, as did Officer Conley and her sisters.
Her mother's a mom wants to drag her to church and have people hold her down.
Yeah.
And play on her. She needs to take her medicine.
Yeah. And
her sister's going, hey, the cops are mobile. I guess we need you to trespass or something else.
And I have some located. I'm cutting down because these ones, they're too high of a dose, and it makes you, it's not a healthy dose.
Right. Just wait for it.
And I'm pregnant, I need to cut down on this stuff.
Yeah,
Right.
cop built like a linebacker.
So just so you know, she hasn't gotten trespassed.
Oh, okay. And then, how do Indians used to use marijuana more than anybody else in the world?
41-year-old female, very high heart rate.
This gotta be some backwoods police station. Like,
Here, I'll buy you a vape.
ain't no way the officer is built like this. This is this gotta be some. This is in the middle of nowhere. Where this shit from again? Hold on. They said from where?
On reports of a female that was refusing to leave.
Oh, Baraboo, Wisconsin. Yeah, I know that shit gotta be in the middle of nowhere, because ain't no way the officers look like this.
I want that watermelon strawberry thing, that peach strawberry, that flavor.
He saw
frost
that
are
we were
weird.
coming here, like, so that's why. But I told him, I was like, after this, she's not going to be allowed here again.
Can I get another one
You see
too?
everything that she
No, I need to because they run out so fast. They call me dog. They're the only thing safe for pregnancy.
Amanda. Okay, you need to calm down, or I'm going to be honest, you're going to end up at the jail.
You're gonna end up at the jail.
Okay, well, that's great. Then I'll have a day off, I guess.
Good.
Right?
I'll take care of you.
I'm not gonna...
I'll protect
Amanda.
you. I don't know your
Amanda.
name, and I will never turn my back on
your
you.
vape, so...
I hope you have a
We're gonna
great
head
day and you continue to do your job.
Right.
They look and sound just alike.
I'm getting all that. That is coming home with me.
They're going to take you to jail if you don't have it all. They just told you that.
And yesterday you didn't have any money, so I'm guessing today you're not gonna have any money for that stuff. And he already paid for your vape, so... I mean, he seems to be...
What do
trying
I
to be
gotta say
reasonable with you.
to make you get out of my life?
Oh,
Okay,
disorderly.
then leave.
Better tone it
I
down.
have the power. I have the power of Baraboo. I can sue Baraboo.
Okay, Amanda, I'm gonna warn you one last time, and then I'm...
The Ottawa will sue you.
Hey,
Are you gonna listen to him or not?
My husband will sue the Baraboo School District.
Okay, that has nothing to do with me, Amanda.
You're right.
Okay,
you know
But-
the hospital.
Amanda.
You were there.
Amanda.
You were there. I'm gonna take
Amanda.
everybody down. I will die for what is right.
Amanda, what is the point right now? Other than
I am trying to survive. My son is important. My daughter is important. My babies are important. My sisters are important. My mothers are important.
What is going on here? Are these officers just gonna let her yell and hoot and holler in the middle of this man's store? What are we doing here? This is definitely disorderly. Definitely disorderly. What the hell is going on here? I knew that there's gotta be some backwoods, small town bullshit. This is what that is right here.
My brothers.
Time to leave.
Are important.
Time to leave.
Okay, I'll listen to you calmly. I'm sorry.
It's time to go.
No, I listen to police officers.
Let's go.
No. No. What's your name?
Hey, bud.
What's your name and who
Come
are
over
you?
here. Come over here. Just go this way, please.
do you want to just go around?
Do you know her?
Sorry. Thanks.
You know, okay. All right, I like your tattoo.
Are you gonna go home?
No.
With him?
I'm gonna stay right here until I have everything from this store.
Amanda, I am not going to tell you again.
I'm not threatened.
If you are not going to choose to leave, I'm going to take you to jail for disorderly conduct. I'm
Don't
not
they
going to
look
continue
alike?
with this.
They look like mother-daughter.
Please try it.
Give you a ride.
Try it. I dare you.
Do you?
I dare
Is that what you want to happen?
you. One of my husbands is here, and I will get back out and have this baby.
236. Yeah, you might want to head this way.
Okay. Again, Amanda, we're giving
I
you all
promise.
we're giving you all of the options.
Don't
Calm
make
down.
me say it. Don't
you
want to
want,
say
Amanda.
it to you, but I will curse you and beat your ashes.
We're done.
Okay. You're under arrest.
Yeah.
For disorderly
Now
conduct.
You're under arrest. Okay. We're done.
I'm suing you.
Relax. Don't.
Get your hands off me!
Don't.
I am never a man! Get your hands off me! Help!
Don't.
Help! Get the taser! Oh, I will shoot you! I will shoot you!
Amanda.
Or I will take.
Those tasers!
Put your arm behind your back. Put your arm behind your back.
My belly! You're hurting my belly!
Okay, then stop resisting.
Oh, fuck down! You're always seatbelt! Ow! You guys are hurting me!
Okay, well then stop fighting with
resisting
us and we won't be.
I am married to Jared Stoddard!
We're 1095.
Please be gentle with me! I am pregnant!
Will you walk with me?
No, I will only leave with her! I will only leave with her!
Then walk with her.
No, Herb. Him.
You can come with us, Herb. Herb's coming with us.
Herb, where are you? Holy
Let's go. Right here.
You fucking bitch! I had to go through Tuesday! Herb set me up and he's going to jail! He's going to jail! Oh, these handcuffs are too tight! You evil! Beaver is evil! Let me go!
Nope. Stand up.
Let me go.
Stand up.
No!
Can't do this.
They can help me!
Can I tried?
They can help me! I divorced Jared Stoddard!
What?
I divorced Jared Stoddard!
I'm not gonna take her house.
Ah! Ah! I am crying! And I jumped your baby!
Let's go.
Do not touch me! I will!
Amanda.
I will vacation! My husband!
You need to have a seat.
Amanda, sit down.
No!
Amanda.
No!
We're gonna you up.
No!
Is yours a full?
Get your hands off me, or I will sue you! I am a lawyer!
You know what's wrong with that thing? I'll get it in a second.
This hurts. This hurts.
Could you pick that up, please?
Tell me. I don't know this man. What is is your name and badge? Give me your name, Liberty. God, that's not your name. H something G.
Go over.
Herb.
Come in.
Herb.
Come in, Amanda.
Let's go.
You are an evil. I am not Navajo.
Let's go. Have a seat. Amanda, hop in the car, please.
I am a Navajo baby in me.
Have a seat. Amanda, please get in the car.
I am a mixed breed baby in me.
Amanda, hop in.
Let's go. Let's get in.
No.
Amanda,
You need to get in the car.
No! I really just started! He is my... Ow!
Get in the
You
car.
fucking assholes are
Get in the car.
Get in the car, Amanda.
Have a seat, and we won't have to do this.
You just hurt me, and I have videotapes
Stand up.
of it!
All on video. Stand up, car, please.
Ow!
Let's go.
Ow, you
Get in. Let's go.
You are going to purgatory! You
Let's go.
are on the purgatory list!
Amanda was charged with resisting or obstructing as an ordinance and disorderly conduct. She was found guilty of resisting or obstructing as an ordinance and fined $330.
Problem with the court system, man. They always cutting deals. How is this not disorderly conduct? Like how? Oh my goodness. Yeah, man. This is, to me, I get it. She got mental health issues. You could tell something ain't right. She not wrapped too tight, but this dragged on way too long. I mean, yeah, you could tell this was like, you could tell the difference between like a city, a bigger city, and like some backwoods. Police department maybe got 50 people, 100 people. Like, it's just like, you could tell. I don't know. No. You guys let her ramble on and on and on in that store, man. Disrupting stuff. Talking to her. Oh, this is the last time I'm gonna tell you. This is the last time I'm gonna tell you. Amanda, this is the last time I'm gonna tell. Well, how many goddamn times you gonna say this is the last time I'm gonna tell you? Like, come on, man. This was, they get a 3. 3 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.